perfect fit closets. How to use obstacles. Underneath the local browser, using our PFC Canada catalog, under categories, obstacles, we can find our first option that is an obstacle that I'll show you how to modify it. A single switch, double switch, triple switch, single outlet, and double outlets. Before I proceed to go more into details with the switch and outlet, I'll start with my obstacle. And let's say we have a bulkhead, an electrical box, or a safe box, a column, whatever obstacle we can think of or that we actually have in our project. And we want to add it to our design in order to accommodate all the models and place them in the right location. We just click on this one obstacle. I'll start with bulkhead. I see my magnet and I'll just drop it here somewhere. I'll let go of my mouse, and as you can see here, I'll just drop it there. And then for now, I'll just left click to drop it in the design. Now I will proceed to go right click and go to my attributes to modify this. So I can see that by default it's only 1 inch deep, 30. Right now it got inserted at 30 inches height and 9 inch. 11/16 is my width. So let's say if I go to variables, that bulkhead is 16 inches deep, 12 inches high, and the width will be the full width of my wall, that is 104 and 13/16. I'll just type in 104 13/16. I'll minimize this for now. Click on apply and OK. Before I click on OK here, you will just find the dimensions, the obstacle texture, the catalog name, and you can also, if you want for some reason display that in a different color, you can also change that in here. I'll just leave it the same color as my wall, so click on apply and OK. And now I will just move this up and down. And I'll drag it to the left and right. So let's see, in my placement zone, I can see here, I can just do it here and type in 0 or use my mouse here. Up and down, seems like there's a little, below 1/16, so I'll change that to 0. Sorry about that, just got moved, okay. Then, as you can see here, my model was 14 inches deep. So if that bulkhead is deeper and I want to make it flush, I can always do that. And I just go to my tall model, attributes, and change my models to be 16 inches, same as the bulkhead, or the opposite, depends on how do you want to design this. So now here I have 16 1/4. I'll go and add another obstacle here. So I'll drag, drop, save my magnet, go to my farthest left, let go of my mouse. Here, I can just let go for now and just left click to let go. And I can resize the width here with my placement zone, or do the same. I know, measure here. So 84 and I have 16 1/4. So I want to make this, go to attributes, variables, and my height will be 84. My width will be 16, and I want to make that column for some reason a little recessed. That's how it is. I'll make it 14, click on apply and OK. And I'll just move up and down, like drag and then up and down. If I leave a 1/4 inch variance on the left side, just in case it's not straight. If you have some space, you really don't need to leave it, but just to make sure we have some variance there while we install that. So that's how it is. I have my column at 14 inches deep and my bulkhead at 16. And I can use this obstacle to recreate anything else that we have as an obstacle in our design. As I said, electrical box, a safe box, a mirror, whatever you want to showcase there. So now I will proceed with my switch and outlets. So I'll just drop a single switch here and let go. For now, I'll just insert a couple of switches and outlets. So let's say here I have a double outlet, and here a single outlet, and just a single switch here. And just to show you, how they look like, I'll insert one of each, actually, double there. So let's say this switch is like, 5 3/8 from the right side of the wall. And these letters, the name is too big. So to fix that, I'll go to right click, display settings, font, and I'll change the size of my font to 2, apply and OK to be able to see the actual switch in there. I can do the same with all of them. Font 2, click on OK, apply. Display settings, font, click 2, OK. And then that way you're able to see the actual switch and outlet. So for now, let's see if it's my warning patterns. Yeah, they're showing. So let's say I have this switch here. So that will be an obstruction or an obstacle to my design. So I know I have to make this model smaller. So I'll just go right click into my model, go to attributes, and let's change my middle section, make it custom, and just make it 28 instead of 30 inches. Click on apply and OK. And now I have my clearance there for my switch. And I'm showing where my other outlets are located to make sure it won't interfere with my panels or shelves or whatever I design in here. If I want to go to my perspective and take a look at all these switch and outlets, so that's how they look like, the single, the double, and the triple switch, and my single outlet and double outlet. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@perfectfitcanada.com. Thank you.